Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Generating passive income from AI can be achieved through various avenues. Here are a few potential ways to earn passive income from AI. 1. Developing and licensing AI solutions. If you have expertise in AI development, you can create AI-powered software, tools, or algorithms that address specific industry needs. You can then license or sell these solutions to businesses or individuals who can benefit from them. For example, you could develop AI chatbots, recommendation systems, or data analysis tools. 2. Creating AI-enabled products. Develop and sell physical products or devices that incorporate AI technology. This could include AI-powered smart home devices, wearable technology, or AI-integrated appliances. By designing and manufacturing products that provide enhanced functionality through AI, you can generate passive income through sales and royalties. 3. Building AI-powered mobile apps. Develop AI-enabled mobile applications that offer valuable services or solve specific problems. Monetize these apps through various means, such as in-app purchases, advertisements, or subscription models. Examples could include AI-based fitness apps, language learning apps, or virtual assistant apps. 4. Investing in AI startups or AI stocks. Another way to earn passive income from AI is by investing in AI-focused startups or purchasing stocks of established AI companies. Research the market, identify promising AI startups, or invest in established companies that are leading in AI development. As the companies grow and generate profits, your investment can provide passive income through dividends or capital appreciation. 5. Creating AI-generated content. Utilize AI technologies to generate content such as articles, blog posts, or even artwork. AI-powered natural language generation (NLG) systems can produce written content based on specific inputs and guidelines. You can monetize this content by publishing it on platforms, selling it to publishers, or offering it as a service to businesses in need of content creation. 6. Developing AI-driven websites or online platforms. Build websites or online platforms that leverage AI algorithms or capabilities. This could include AI-powered recommendation systems, personalized user experiences, or advanced data analytics. Monetize these platforms through advertisements, subscriptions, or by providing value-added services to users. 7. Providing AI consultancy or advisory services. If you possess expertise in AI and its applications, you can offer consultancy or advisory services to businesses. Help them understand how AI can enhance their operations, optimize processes, or improve decision-making. Charge a fee for your consulting services based on the scope and complexity of the project. It's important to note that earning passive income from AI often requires an upfront investment of time, effort, and expertise. It's also essential to stay updated with the latest AI trends, technologies, and ethical considerations to provide valuable solutions and maintain a competitive edge. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.